We're going to make a video of all the letters that you know. What are you doing now? Very good. Okay, let's do another letter. What are you going to do next?
Lots of A's.
Oh, you're just doing lots of A's? Okay. Oh, you're going to the end of the row. Okay, can you feel the A's? All the way across. That's all the Braille on that paper that you've already done. All right, what letter are you going to do next?
B.
Okay.
B. That's B. B.
Yes, that's B. 1 and 2.
Slide it back.
Oh, you had to go down a line. Yep. 1 and 2. That's B. Good job.
Daddy's leaving.
Daddy is going to leave. You're making lots and lots of B's. Oh! Can you feel your B's? Show me your B's on the paper.
B.
Yep, that's all your B's. Now what do you need to do? It dinged.
Slide it back.
Slide it back. And go down.
G.
What do you make? G? G? Okay. These are fast G's. Oh, what was that? Oh.
G.
All right, show me your G's. Sit down.
G.
Yep. Okay, slide it back. What are you going to do now? H? Okay. H for what?
3. H is 5.
Yes. 1, 2, and 5. What is H for? What starts with H? What starts with H?
Hudson.
Yep. Can you find your H's on the paper? Those are your H's. Great, Hudson. Good job. I'm so proud of you brailing your letters.